Hey everyone, welcome back to LingoLift. I'm John, and today we're diving into some delicious vocabulary. We'll be learning the names of 10 common vegetables in English and how to say them in Portuguese. Whether you're planning a trip to Brazil, Portugal, or just want to expand your language skills, this is going to be super helpful. So let's get started.
First up, we have carrot. In Portuguese, it's called cenoura, cenoura. So when you're shopping for some healthy snacks, look out for cenoura.
Garlic, a key ingredient in many dishes, is alho, alho in Portuguese.
Cabbage is a versatile veggie. In Portuguese, it's repolho, repolho.
Next, the classics tomato. In Portuguese, it's tomate, a little similar, right?
Potatoes. In Portuguese, you say batata, batata.
Whether it's bell pepper or chili, the word in Portuguese is pimentão, pimentão.
Onions can bring tears to your eyes, but in Portuguese, they're called cebola, cebola.
Spinach is packed with nutrients. In Portuguese, it's a spinifer, espinafre.
For a fresh salad, you might want some lettuce, or as they say in Portuguese, alface.
Finally, zucchini. In Portuguese, it's abobrinha, abobrinha.
All right, let's quickly go over the 10 vegetables we learned today in English and Portuguese. Carrot, cenoura, tomato, tomate, potato, batata, onion, cebola, garlic, alho, cabbage, repolho, pepper, pimentão, lettuce, alface, spinach, espinafre, zucchini, abobrinha. That's all for today's lesson. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use these words, the easier they'll stick. Thanks for watching. And there you have it. 10 vegetables in English and Portuguese. How many of these did you already know? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to LingoLift Academy for more language learning content. Até a próxima. See you next time.